Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scott Lorraine Marketing. Today I want to go over with you how to find the listing presentation within your KW Canva account and how to get started on editing that. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your Canva account. To access your KW Canva account, you want to just make sure you are going to canva.kw.com. That will allow you to then sign into your Canva account using your command username and password. You should see a big red banner at the top letting you know you are in your KW Canva account. From there, we want to navigate down to the brand templates, okay? So we're going to go on the left-hand menu and we're going to come over to brand. Now from there, if we click on brand templates, you're going to see that we then have access to the KW provided templates. They're going to look similar to the ones you've seen in Command Designs. They're going to have the KW colors, a place for logos, all of that good stuff, okay? And you can come through these and we're going to look for the listing presentation, okay? Now you can of course search at the top as well, but I'm seeing one right here. So we're going to go ahead and use that one, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click Modern Listing Presentation. And once I do that, I'm going to see that we have quite a few pages we can go through and we can start customizing this, okay? So we're going to hit Use Brand Template. And then we just want to go through this page by page. Sorry, I did not mean to zoom in that much. We want to just start going through this page by page and editing any information that needs to be edited, okay? So you want to make sure you're going through every page, piece by piece, and editing and customizing this. It is a template. It's created for every KW associate to be able to use. So there's a lot of information in here. There's also a lot of things that may not pertain to you or your local area or how you handle your business, okay? So customize it for you, what you do, what sets you apart, and all of that good stuff. Moving down, you'll be able to start customizing your photo, your name, all of that good stuff. If you've built your brand kit for yourself, you should be able to find your photo and pull that in. Hopefully that worked. Nope, did not. There we go. Now for the logo, I usually have a hard time replacing that, so I just add it to the top, and then you'll just go ahead and resize it however big you'd like it. You can then edit your name, phone number, email, and continue going through each page. So the selling process, what does your initial consultation look like? Do you want to replace the photo on here? Do you want to use different colors? Have you branded yourself and you have specific colors? Mapping the journey, how they're going to prepare the home. What do you require? Maybe what is something that's different that you do? Love at first sight. Obviously you want to include different things because you don't want to leave this here. So either remove, set the scene, seal the deal. So how they can help prepare the home. This is going to go over your custom marketing plan. So here you could add your photo, build out what you do, okay? Finding your buyer. If there are pages that you maybe don't want to include, you can do one of two things. You can hide the page temporarily, or you can go ahead and delete the page, okay? So you have a couple of options there. What does your media plan look like? Are you doing brochures, flyers, postcards? Are you doing Instagram stories and paid ads? Are you doing something more that's not listed on here? So again, how do you set yourself apart? Your strategic promotion, the details, signs, listing amplified through all of the KWLS, door knocking, videography, global reach. Again, things that KW is doing, so some of this is available to you no matter what. But what else are you doing? Communication strategy, comparative market analysis. So you can plug in all of those details here, okay? Make sure the price is right. Photos, text. You want to go through everything on these, okay? You want to edit anything that may need to be customized. Now, I'm not going to go through and edit this entire packet because, again, it is always personal and custom to each associate that is filling it out. But you do want to go through every page. Again, delete pages that maybe you don't need right now, hide them. If you need to duplicate a page, you can also do that. So maybe you need to add pages. You can add a page and then customize it. So those two options are also available, okay? Once you are done with your listing presentation and you have it set up how you'd like, you're going to go ahead and hit that share button. You can print it with Canva. You can just download it and print it in Office. If you're printing in Office, typically we would recommend the PDF for print and then go ahead and download, okay? Once you download that full packet and it's been customized, you'll be able to then find it again in your projects. Maybe you want to use that same template for every listing that you go on. You can customize it for each listing without having to recreate it every single time, okay? So it will remain in your projects. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Our email is support@scotlandroymarketing.com. Have a wonderful rest of your day.